Okay, what I'm going to do is I'll get it into the wind like this.
Okay.
And cut the engine, and then you just steer it, and it's going down. You pull back. You know how to fly a plane. Okay, so I'll do that, and then when it gets down low, you also have control. Pull your throttle all the way back.
That's the throttle.
Yeah,
okay.
And you also have control. So so I'll go ahead and bring it up. Get it over here a little further.
Do I have to flick any switches on this?
Nope, just start flying. Okay, I'm gonna cut the throttle. You're flying it. Don't get it into the sun because you'll not be able to see it, and we don't know where it'll go.
Time remaining 7 minutes.
So head off over this way.
Woo! Your controls.
Okay. Okay, I'll get it over here.
Interesting thing is my student did just that to me the other day.
Is that right? Okay, now I got it going into the wind. I'm just going to cut it and give it to you.
Okay.
You got it.
I got it.
Okay, you got it.
Okay, there we go.
Now keep it headed that direction, and you can just glide around for a long time. Then turn and go with the wind a little bit and get back over this way and give it some power. Get back over this way.
All right, bring it around.
There you go.
Bring it around it into the wind. Okay, wind is at my back, so I got to point it towards me. There we go. There.
And then head off that way. Don't get it into the sun, I guarantee you. You won't know which word.
Slide there.
Yeah, go right, turn right a little bit. There you go.
Okay, going back downwind.
There you go.
Just a light touch on the controls.
You got it.
Okay, bring it around again.
And you can just give it about half throttle and it'll fly fine.
All right, well, see what I get. Yeah, we need some throttle here.
Yeah.
Round to the left.
Time remaining 4 minutes.
Level the wings. Nose down. Uh-oh, wind's got it. You better.
You got it. Don't overcorrect, just gentle.
Power's out, back towards us.
Yeah.
Stall there.
Keep giving it power until you get full control. Don't just cut the power. Give it half throttle or something. And get back this way. Oh, no, don't get in the sun.
Time remaining.
I'll take it.
Coming over to the right. Got it.
I got it. Yeah, there's a lot of wind, a lot more wind than makes it fun to fly. The first time I crashed it was because it went into the sun and I had no idea where it was. I think whenever I move my throttle, it gives control back to me. I know you can set it up that way. So I keep my hand off the throttle. Yeah, you know how to fly it. It's the wind that's going to give you the most grief.
Okay, I want to turn to the right without stalling. Okay, power's off. There we go. Nosing down. Oh, there's a stall. There's a secondary stall. Hey, I can even do them good on your glider.
Okay, we got 1 minute left, so I'll take over.
Okay, got the control. Nice, and ground effect. Nice.
All right, so you want to do another one?
Sure.
Okay, good. Yeah.
Power. Lucky getting a little far away from us here.
Ah, that's all right. That's what the